A fire had broken out in the temporary marketplace at Yoshalong in Layumkhra during the wee hours of the 28th of October 2022. As fire services pressed into action, the flames were doused before they could spread to neighboring buildings in the vicinity of the market. As per sources, the cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained and investigation into the matter is ongoing.
Ông Shai kay kabaja bakalas dang ing nadung kagi ong saujio whatever kat pandawan kubat ba try kay sa steng na kat pandapoy bulan di kadung step binaya firefight ni kilala pati step ni kading kabaar pade talong ba nilaya yo hindi pa niya grand pa ni chief minister nala ay nilaya doon na video conferencing with chief minister pa niyo ini jinja sa bajing ini kendo chief minister de minhampet menta kadorbar EMDC mga ipulit EMDCL the municipal board ini kendo sibit sa yatren ni happy bandan ka Punjabi location ni kini yang sa sise naladon lat bentren bagi kontraktor jong ka site tu ini ong kan simpul kumba khatsan ni ban ay kanu ka relocation ni hakani ka jong jaka ingidang ya pet mentabot ka slong lesing into data pulin no ang ni hapo ka jaka jong slong nakapta kita ki prapu sawut kita tinong di jendi bagi jur bedi perishable item so jur kwai po di let's say hapo kasitayaw shipos ni lakuno kumno kini ki nong di jikik lade ban sedang biang ya business jongki tingin ya pet ka wage loss ayu nilapan ayaki namar kidan ado propusawut ni hapet menta kumno ni di kasnong kan kendo menta shpo beji ini kendo yang buat ngabi MDC lai beje ini kendo pada siam sau beje try by sau beje kini lala bandon some definitive plan kumno bangin address ini